Wow, you can't do that with a conventional drone.
This is the DJI Avata 2. If you ever wanted to fly FPV, this is your chance. Built for beginners and experienced alike, but powerful enough to feel unreal. Pair the DJI Avata 2 with the DJI RC Motion 3, put on the goggles N3, and suddenly you're not just flying, you're in the pilot seat. Motion control makes flying feel natural, like the drone is an extension of you. Built-in safety features give you the confidence to push your limits, even on your very first flight. The 1/1.3-inch image sensor, 4K 60 frames per second, HDR video, 155-degree ultra-wide angle field of view, and much better low light performance. No complicated setup, no steep learning curve, just intuitive controls, solid stabilisation, and cinematic footage from the moment you lift off. And right now it gets even better. For a limited time, the DJI Avata 2 comes with 15% off. The single battery Fly More combo is now only $719, and the 3 battery Fly More combo is down to $859, making this the best time to get into FPV. Don't just watch FPV, fly it.